friends, so today we are going to start our grade 4 and this is the first topic, that is Alto Clef. There is a new clef which you will be learning in grade 4. Till now we have learned the treble and the bass clef. So what is Alto Clef is, it's nothing but it is just you change the middle C in this one. So you can see in the example, in the bass clef you can see this is the middle C, and in treble this is the middle C. Now in Alto Clef this is the middle C. So yeah, whenever you're making notes, making a scales according to Alto Clef, to make sure that the C is the middle line. Okay, this is the middle C. So you can see the example here. Yes, the way you write in three different clefs over here. Now we'll straight away go to the exercise 1. So the exercise 1 we have is name those notes. So we have to name the notes according to the Alto Clef in this exercise. So the first one you can see, just remember the middle C. This is the middle line and this is the middle C. Okay, so this is C and D. So this is our D flat. This is D flat. This is D, E, F. So this is, you can see again, C, D, E, F. So this is F. This is C and this is A sharp. Right, let's come down. This is C, B, A, G, F, E. So this is E and this is C, D, E, F, G, A. This is A. Next one is C, D, E, F, G. So this is our G and this is F. Yeah, this is F. Okay. Now let's do the next one. So next one you can see is write either a treble or alto clef before these notes to make the note name correct. So according to the notes we have to make the clefs in front of them. So you can see, so let's start with this one first. So this is F. So first space, we remember this is comes in treble clef. So this is our treble clef. Yep. Next, this is G, G sharp. So we know in alto, in treble clef, this is F sharp, but here it's given G sharp. That means simple, this is a alto clef. So if you want to check, you can check C, D, E, F, G. Right. Next is E. We know the first line in treble clef is the G, is E. Next is middle C. So we know this middle C comes in alto clef. Next is C flat. Okay, C flat. Remember in treble clef, the third space is the C, right? So this is our treble clef. Okay. Next we have is D. So this is not, because remember in treble clef this is the middle C, the leisure lines in below. So this is again a alto clef. The last one is G, F, G. So this is a treble clef. If you want to check this one, this is middle C, C, D, E, F, G, A. So that's why this is not a alto clef. This is G. So because this is F in treble clef and this is G. Right? Next question we have is write either a bass or alto clef before these notes. So now we have to check either it's a alto clef or a bass clef. So this is our G, the first space G, it should be a alto clef because we don't have G in space, this space in bass clef. This is E, the fourth line. So this cannot be your bass clef, this should be alto clef. C, second space, this should be your bass clef. Next is A, so this is our G, F, G, F. So this should be your C, D, E, F, G, A. So this is alto clef. This is E, and this E is our comes C. This one in bass clef, this line is our G, F, E. So this is our bass clef. Right. Next is G flat. This is bass clef. So this they're showing G. This should be bass clef. This is A. This cannot be G flat. So this should be an alto clef, right? And next one is D. So if this is our D, this should be C. This should be a bass clef. Okay. Now let's move to the next page. So now in the next page, they're asking us write the following tunes using alto clef so that they sound at the same pitch. So you just have to write the same whatever written in the treble clef, you have to put it in a bass clef. So you have to take care of middle C. If you do that, it's very simple. Let's do that. So you can see this one is middle C in treble clef, and middle C over here is the middle line. So we make this note here. This is E. So C, D, E here. And this is G here. Let's make a line. This is our C above C. So this is C, D, E, F, G, A, one leisure line B, and then C. Okay, and then this is B, and this is A, then close bar, then this is our E. So we make the E here. This is E. Then E, this is D. So D is here. So over here, so this is our E. So this is D and this is E. Right? After this is our C. So this is close and here dotted one. So let's just make the here. So we go, this can go up and down anyway. Let's go down. Let's just check one more time. This is C, this is E, C, D, E, E, this is G. So C, D, E, F, G. Then we have, this is our C. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Right, next is B. So this is one down B. Next is A. So we have come down to A. Next is E. Sorry, G. So we have back to G now. Then we have D. This is D here, and this is E. So E is there, and the last one is C. So let's make C here. Okay. Now the next one, next exercise, we have, this is our D. So D, this is middle C. Make this D here. Okay, this is E, bar line. Then we have F, G, F, E, D, bar line. Then we have again D, E, F, bar line. Then we have E, and we have A, which is below the middle line. Okay, now let's just quickly make the stems. Okay, so here you just easy way. Okay, so here we finish this one. So you can do these things, put this on your own later on if you want to. I'm not doing it right now. You can just do it on your own later on. Okay, so the main thing was this, that how you write it on a Alto Clef. Okay, so let's move to the next exercise. So next one is write the following tunes using Alto Clef so that they sound at the same pitch. Okay. Now in this one, what we have to do is we have to transpose it to a Alto Clef. Okay, not transport, but is to put it in a Alto Clef. Okay, so let's make the Alto Clef first. So here, then we just make this. Let's make our B flat key signature. So write the key signature. This is our C, B here. So let's make it here, time signature. Okay, let's make it. So this is our middle C and this is below middle C. Okay, so this is our green plus dries fast is F. So F below the middle C, first F below the middle C. This is middle C, this is A, G, F. So this is our F here. Okay, then F, G, A here. Then we have A, B, C. This is middle C. Then we have C, D, E, F. So this is C, D, E, F. So this is our second F. Again F. Okay. Then the bar line. Then we have, this is D. So this is this D. From middle C to down. This is our middle C. So C to down. This is our E. So A, G, F, E here. Then E, F, G, G, A, B, C, G, A, B, C. This is middle C. Then C, D, E. Then again E. Close the bar line. Then E, F. So E, F, we go there. Then come back down middle C, F, E, D and C here. Then here A. Then here to E, sorry, F. Then we come back to B. So B will be middle C here. So this was we were here. This is we have done. So now we're going here. So this is our C. Okay, one octave lower from the middle C. So this is C. If you go one octave lower, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to make a ledger line, and 8. And go back here if you want to count. This is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, right? And then this we have F. This is below middle C, F. So this is middle C, and we go here F. Okay, sorry, this is our minim note, dotted minim. So let's make it a dotted minim. This is a dotted minim note. Okay, and then we close the bar over here. Okay, let's make the stems. Then here go up, up. Let's come down here. Okay, let's go down, let's go up here, this one will come down, up, then we have here coming down, down, then we go up. Okay, now the last exercise we have, let's make it. First we have to make the alto clef. Okay, then we have, there's no key signature, we have time signature, that is 6/8. Okay, let's make, so this is from middle C, so let's make the middle C. Then we have our D, so let's make D here, then back to middle C. Then we have G here, so C, B, A, G, G, this is E, E here, then we have C, so E, D, and C. Okay, so hit here, this is C, this is A, so C, A here, then A again, then we have G, our line, then we have G again, then A, G, G, A, B, bar line, then finish on middle C. And okay, let's put the bar line first. Yeah, then we have to make stems. It's coming down. Here, let's go up. Okay, this one as well going up. This is dotted. Let's make this up, dotted. This is it. Then again we go here, go up. In the last one we have, let's go down. Let's go down. Yeah. So here we finish our today's topic, and now we'll see you in the next topic. Till then, thank you.